Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we're heading straight to the stove to learn the rolling technique for perfect tamagoyaki layers. Grab your eggs and pan, and let's get started. Flavor variations across different regions. Japan has two primary styles of this dish that reflect regional tastes. In the Tokyo area, known as Kanto, the omelette is typically quite sweet. Chefs here use more sugar and often fry the egg until it develops a slightly brown, caramelized skin on the outside. It's hearty and bold. On the other hand, the Osaka or Kansai style focuses on dashi. This version is much more savory and less sweet. Because it contains more liquid from the stock, the texture is often softer and more difficult to roll. This style is usually called dashimaki tamago. Both versions are delicious, so you should try both to see which one your palate prefers. A simple step-by-step guide to rolling your own omelette. Learning to roll your first tamagoyaki can feel intimidating, but it's much easier than it looks. The process is rhythmic and actually quite relaxing once you get the hang of it. You're basically building a rug of egg and rolling it up one section at a time. Because you're working with thin layers, the egg cooks very quickly, making this a fast meal once your prep is done. Practice is the only way to get those perfectly tight layers, so don't worry if your first few attempts look a bit messy. They'll still taste amazing. Preparing your egg mixture and seasonings. First, you need to gather your ingredients. For a standard-sized omelette, use 3 or 4 large eggs. In a small bowl, whisk the eggs gently. Try not to incorporate too much air, as you want a dense finished product rather than a puffy one. Add a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. If you have dashi on hand, add a tablespoon of that as well. For a creamier Western twist, some people use a splash of milk, though traditionalists stick to water or stock. The most important tip for a professional finish is to strain the mixture. Pass the whisked eggs through a fine mesh sieve into another bowl. This step removes the chalaza, the white stringy bit, and any unmixed clumps of whites. The result is a perfectly smooth, uniform liquid that will cook evenly. If you skip this, your omelette might have white streaks or lumps. Mastering the rolling technique for perfect layers. Now, it's time to head to the stove. Set your pan over medium-low heat. Speed is less important than temperature control. If the pan is too hot, the egg will brown too quickly and become tough. Lightly oil the pan using a paper towel dipped in vegetable oil. This ensures a thin, even coating without making the egg greasy. Pour a thin layer. Cover the entire bottom of the pan. Pop bubbles. Keep the surface flat and smooth. Roll the egg. Move the cooked egg to one end of the pan. Re-oil and pour. Add new egg under the first roll. Repeat. Continue until all the mixture is used. After you pour the first thin layer, let it set until the bottom is firm but the top is still slightly tacky. Use a spatula or chopsticks to roll the egg tightly from one side to the other. Once it's rolled into a log at the end of the pan, oil the empty space again. Pour in more egg mixture, making sure to lift the existing roll so the new liquid flows underneath it. This glues the old layer to the new one. Repeat this until you run out of egg. Finally, give the log a gentle press with your spatula to set the rectangular shape. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.